Hey guys, in one of my previous videos I showed you that I've made a modification to the trunk lights. I've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 2 light points under the boot floor. I've added those additional lights because the standard single light was very dim. Right now I have it replaced with LED, not only to match the installation that I've added over here, but also I wanted it to be brighter, even though this is not positioned too well because the trunk cover is casting a shadow almost half the length of the trunk. But by default you will have a light that looks something like this, and I've even replaced the standard bulb with an LED. And it wasn't that bright, so I was looking for something better. The color of this LED was matching my installation, so I was partly happy with this. But I've found something like this. This is an LED module which replaces the standard one, and it fits both the Mark 7 variant with the light in the roof as well as the hatchback with the light over here above the side compartment. And you can find it on AliExpress. I will link it in the description below this video, and let me just show you how to replace it. It's very easy. All you need to do is pry the original light from one of the sides. I believe from this side there's a little gap over here. Let's find focus. There's a little gap over here that you can fit the prying tool or a flat screwdriver. If you are not afraid you will damage something. So let me just show you over here, and it pops out. Once it's out, you have just a single connector to disconnect. This is the same connector as the footwell lights or many other lights in all Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda cars. So once you disconnect it, you are going to connect the new light, fit it in. There's not much of wiring over here, so be careful, and then just push it in place and you are done. There are no broken bulb errors because the interior lights have no monitoring for the broken bulbs, not the trunk anyway, but I believe the footwell lights will have it. Okay, never mind. In the description below this video you will find a link to a module that looks like this. It will fit your Mark 7, not only Mark 7, because this kind of light is used in many Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda cars. Okay, that's it for today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tip or tutorial or review, and that's pretty much it. See you soon.